Today I'm going to run you through how to make amazing espresso and latte art on a Rancilio Silvia. Right, as you can see, I have the Rancilio V1, so this is the old type machine. It has the old steam knob, but I do have a PID, so if you don't have a PID, this will still work for you, but the PID is really useful and helps you to improve the consistency of your shots. Some other equipment you'll need will be a nice grinder. So this is a Baratza Encore, even though it says Vario on it. In Japan it's rebranded Melita Vario, but this is the Baratza Encore, which is a entry-level espresso grinder. It can do espresso, but if you are really serious about espresso, you'll want to get something better. I also have this tamp. Do not use the tamp that came with the Rancilio Silvia, it's not very good. This is a tamp that I bought on Amazon for about £15. Okay, another thing you'll need is a nice scale. This is the Hario scale. It has weights of 0.1 grams, so you can really get very fine with your espresso grinding. So make sure you get something like that. You'll want to get a knock box as well. This is really useful for getting the puck out after you've brewed your espresso. And for the Rancilio, I highly recommend just getting a glass jar to put underneath the steam wand. So the steam wand does put out a lot of water before it can do steam. So make sure you have something like that to catch all the water. So I'm using Sidewalk's House Blend, which you can get from the link below. And with my espresso grinder, I found that between 3 and 5 is the sweet spot for most coffees. But if it's a lighter roast, you might want to go a little bit finer, and a darker roast, you might want to go a bit coarser. The dose will also be different depending on which portafilter and which dosing basket you have. So this is the standard one that came with my Rancilio Silvia, which has, this is the double shot basket. And the double shot only takes about 13 to 15 grams. Whereas this one is the bottomless one that I bought that has a triple shot basket, and that will take 21 grams. Whenever you're not brewing espresso, be sure to keep your portafilter loosely locked into the group. This helps to warm up the portafilter, which will help you get more consistent espresso shots. Lock your portafilter into the group and start brewing immediately. Here's the secret of getting the best possible latte art foam on a Rancilio Silvia. So if you have a PID, this is really the most useful part of this, is that when this reaches about 132 degrees, that's, before that you've purged the steam wand already and you're ready to go. And at 132, that's when you do it, before this light switches off. If this light switches off, then it stops heating. But if it gets to about this level, and you start, it will continue heating throughout the steaming process, and it will give you much better latte art foam. Okay, tilt your cup to the side. Swirl the milk, and then start low and go high. Then when you want to pour your design, go really close to the espresso. Oh, that's so good. That's so good! The coffee is so good!